Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to save web pages for offline reading in Safari. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Safari application on your iOS device and then go to the web page you want to save. I'm just going to go to this website here. And once you are inside, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the little arrow facing upwards. And then from the menu, scroll and then tap on Add to Reading List. Now click on Save Automatically. And then once you are done with that, go ahead and open up the Settings application from your iOS homepage. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Under your app list, click on Safari. Inside the Safari option, scroll down and look for the Reading List option. Under it, toggle on the button right next to Automatically Save Offline. Now, once you do that, your page is now in your reading list and ready to read without internet. Now, in order to find the saved pages, tap on the Safari application and click on the book icon at the bottom right. And then select the glass icon and tap on the page to read it offline. Now you're ready to read your favorite articles anytime, anywhere, even without a Wi-Fi. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.